On behalf of all of our faculty and staff here at Willard Elementary School, I would like to warmly welcome you to the 2024 Willard Open House program. I am Tim Cheverini, and I'm proud to serve as the principal here at Willard. I am very happy that you're able to join us tonight. Our program provides an excellent opportunity to learn about our school community and to develop relationships that will ensure a strong home-school partnership. First and foremost, I want to thank you, our Willard families, for helping to ensure that we got off to a great start to the 2024-2025 school year. The start of the year has been invigorating and inspiring for our students and staff. As a reminder, tonight's program is composed of two sessions, one starting now and running until 6:40 p.m., and an additional session running from 6:50 to 7:30 p.m. Following this brief message, I'll be turning it over to your classroom teachers, who are, of course, the stars of the show. In addition to the classroom presentations, we hope you will take advantage of the opportunity to visit with our literacy and mathematics departments, as well as our specials teachers, who have tables and resources available in the cafeteria tonight. In the cafeteria, you'll also find an opportunity to meet with our school nurse and to learn about our PTO. I'd like to take a few moments to talk about PTO. Our PTO plays a vital role in supporting student life here at Willard. Our PTO works tirelessly to enrich and enhance student experiences through financial support of individual classrooms and school initiatives, through direct volunteering, and through supporting field trips and assemblies. Please take the opportunity to stop by, visit with, and learn about our PTO tonight. I'd like to encourage everyone to join our PTO, as it is a wonderful organization that plays a key role in our school community. Please note that our number one priority is the safety and well-being of our students. That said, our faculty and staff are well trained to implement safety procedures and protocols if needed. And please know that we do regularly practice safety drills and procedures with students. We are also blessed to have Officer John Inho, our school security officer, here on site each day to help ensure the safety and security of the school and our students. The leaders of our classroom communities are our teachers. At Willard, our talented teachers are focused on continuous growth and development with regard to your child's educational and social-emotional learning. Our professional and talented staff has a deep understanding of top-tier curriculum. In addition to our academic curriculum, you'll learn in the coming weeks about our Ruler program. Ruler stands for Recognizing, Understanding, Labeling, Expressing, and Regulating Emotions. Students will create classroom charters to determine how they want to feel in the classroom. Students will learn how to use the mood meter. Students will learn more about the blueprint and meta moment, key Ruler tools to help students manage conflict and recognize and understand their own emotions. It's my pleasure to introduce our Dean of Students, Danielle Salina. Mrs. Salina?
Thank you, Mr. Cheverini. At Willard, we have 116 professional faculty and staff serving 432 students across grades pre-K to 5. For our students, we offer a very robust curriculum in the areas of math, literacy, science, and social studies. In addition, students participate in a wide range of special classes, including physical education, band, chorus, art, technology, and library classes. Through special classes, students have many opportunities to make music, play sports, and read daily. School spirit is a very important part of Willard Pride. Throughout the year, you'll hear your children talk about the many spirit days and spirit activities that we plan and execute to create a joyful learning environment at Willard. Please let us know if you would like to contribute by volunteering within our school. We would love to have you. For parents who would like to volunteer, please be sure to go to the Berlin Public Schools website. Under District, please navigate to the Volunteer tab to follow district protocols. Once you are in our system, you are all set to begin volunteering. To support home and school communication, please be sure to update all information in the PowerSchool Parent Portal. In order to update your information, please navigate to the Willard Elementary School webpage, navigate to Families, and choose PowerSchool Family Access. It is important that all email addresses and contact information are updated as PowerSchool syncs with School Messenger, which is our primary means of communicating with families. Welcome to our new school year. Back to you, Mr. Cheverini.
Thank you, Mrs. Salina. We hope that you find this evening's programming informative and enjoyable. If you have any questions, please feel free to let us know. We are here to help. Enjoy the program.